The process of making vegan cream cheese begins by forming the potato protein, oat drink and starter culture and incubating the mixture. After incubation, water is added and the mass is reformed. The cream cheese mass is mixed continuously and modified potato starch, xanthan, oil and seasoning are added. The mass is mixed in a water bath until temperature is above 67 Celsius. At the end, the vegan cream cheese is packed and cooled. Weigh the oat drink, potato protein and starter culture. Mix the oat drink and potato protein. Add the starter culture and form the mixture. Incubate in 37 to 43 Celsius for 12 hours. pH value should be below 4.5. Weigh the other ingredients: xanthan, modified potato starch, rapeseed oil, nutritional yeast, sun-dried tomato, black pepper, dried chives, salt and sugar. Cut the sun-dried tomato with oil. Add water into fermented mixture and form it again. Mix the ingredients into the fermented and formed cream cheese base. Continue mixing and heat in a warm water bath until temperature of the cream cheese is above 67 Celsius. Finally, pack the cream cheese and cool it. Store in temperature below 6 Celsius.